Hello everyone. If your Canva is not working, then don't worry. I'm the plumber and I fix the leaks in digital stuff. So just follow the tutorial and we will fix it. First thing you need to do, click on these three dots here and then go to extensions. And if there is any extension, then first disable it. Okay, just disable it. Then click these three dots again, go to settings and click on this about Chrome, and here you will see if there is any update available for Chrome. Then update your Chrome and now restart the Chrome and try to run your Canva. That didn't work? Okay, don't worry. I got more solution. Then go to settings again and then click on the reset settings and reset. Maybe you have done some shady settings with your Chrome, so you need to reset your settings again and try to restart Chrome and run the Canva. What? Still didn't work? Now you need to go in your favorite mode, the incognito mode, and run Canva here. If it still didn't work, then the problem might not be from your side. Then you go to the Google and type Canva down. Then go to this website and check it. There might be some errors here which others are also facing, and you are not the only one and you are not the chosen one. So don't worry if there is some error here, then you just need to wait when Canva fix their servers. And that's all. Now like this video and click on subscribe. Bye.